All right, we got some honed granite right here. We're gonna take the Black Mambas. I'm gonna use all 5 steps just on this spot right here. We're gonna see what kind of shine we get at the end. And then after we look at that, we're gonna add the fat boys to show you a final result. All right, and as you can see, after using the coarse pad, we brought it back down to the very raw. Pretty much looks like concrete. Like the back of the stone just smoothed out. Alright, now we're going to go to the Black Mamba 1 pad. We're going to finish smoothing this out, give it a really nice, solid base. Alright, now after the 1 pad, you can see it started giving it a little bit of color back. Smooths it out a little bit more. Now it's not that concrete look. Almost to the honed. Alright, now we're on the Black Mamba 2 pad. This pad is really going to start smoothing it out, giving it the honed look, blending it into what we already have here. Alright, see the round light on the one side of the 2 pad, and the round light on the other side of the 2 pad. Now, we got it honed. So if you had a scratch and hone piece, and you needed to get it out, you'd use the coarse, the 1, and the 2 pad. All right, on to pad 3. This pad's gonna start to put a shine on it. You'll start to see the light a little more crisp and everything. All right, remember with the 2 pad, it matched the hone. So where the light is right there, that's what everything was. Now after the 3 pad, we start to get a nice shine to it. Now you can really see the shape of the light. You can see it's a little darker. You can even start seeing the polisher sitting right beside it. All right, now we're going to start on the high gloss. This is the 5th pad on the Black Mamba set. Alright, so with 5 pads, we dropped the hone down to raw. We brought it back to the hone, and then we put it to this shine right here. That's with 5 pads. Now let me show you what happens when you add a little bit of fat boys to it. Alright, now we're going to add the 6,000 and 10,000 fat boy to it to show you all what that looks like. Alright, we took this honed granite, brought it all the way to a raw material. Then we shined it all the way up to a high gloss shine using the Black Mamba venom pads and the fat boys. Any dark material you have and you need to put a shine to it, grab you some Black Mambas with your favorite sealer and buffer.